everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, my name is Jennifer. Hi, hello, you should totally subscribe. I'm actually in the middle of my 300 subscriber giveaway for my subscribers on my channel. That video is live and up on my channel if you would like to go check it out, but you can, win lots of fun goodies. I just felt my lash band pop. Nobody likes that. So I'm going to make this intro pretty short because, Christmas. I want to get into the festivities. I wanted to do a holiday look that wasn't a gold eye and a red lip or like Christmas trees and Christmas lights on your face, but I wanted to incorporate the Christmas colors, which is how we ended up here. This is a really pretty kind of emeraldy Christmas tree green eye with a bold red lip, and it was super fun to create. I used Morphe eyeshadows, the James Charles and Jeffree Star palettes. And then my lip is from e.l.f. It is Red Vixen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And without further ado, let's get into it, guys. Alright, so we are already primed and my eyes look insane because I already have my concealer on. If you're new here and you don't know what I prime my eyes with in every video, it is the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. It's just a solid white concealer. Alright, so we are going to be starting off from these two palettes. This is the Morphe and Jeffree Star, and this is the Morphe and James Charles. I'm struggling. So we're going for a green emeraldy kind of look for today. This shirt is on my nerves, but we're gonna roll with it. It's like a big bag and it's a crop top, like it is so short. Anywho, let us begin. So I'm gonna start off in the Jeffree Star palette and I'm gonna take Nate Light. I'm gonna take Wake and Bake, which is this like pukey green color, and we're gonna go in with a fluffy little bit of a crease brush here. Yes. I'm going to leave this eye being done in the video, but I'm going to do this eye at the same time and just cut it out. So when you see me going back and forth with this eye catching up to this eye, just pay no mind. So this is almost a little bit too pukey yellowy green. So I'm going to go next door and use Nate, which is the more vibrant Kelly green. I love that shade. I love it. I'm all about some Kelly green. I don't know what my thing is. I'm not a very like colorful person. I'm sure you can tell. But something about Kelly green just does it for me. So I'm literally just taking that right over Wake and Bake. So we still have that more muted green underneath peeking through, but it is a more vibrant green coming over top. Did that make any sense? Okay, well, if it didn't make sense, then we're doing it because I don't like the way Wake and Bake looks all by itself up there. So I am leaving a little bit of Wake and Bake peeking out at the top so you can still see that that's what our transition shade was, I suppose. Okay, so now we're here looking a little crazy. Most of the time when people think holiday, they don't go to this. So I'm a terrible person and I've lost the plastic sheet with the shade names on them from my James Charles palette, but you can see what shade I'm using, and if you just even listen to how I'm describing it, you'll be able to figure it out, okay? I'm taking this dark foresty green shade, same brush still, and I'm going to focus this on my outer corner and blend it slightly up into the crease. Now that we're here, I don't really feel like cutting my crease today, like at all. This is design. Let me wipe off some of the nasty off of it. This is Designer Label from the Jeffree Star palette. And I'm gonna load up my brush and go in dry first. Wait, I made an executive decision. I'm actually going to take that dark foresty green and really buff it into my inner corner as well. So I'm going to go in with Designer Label, and we're going to hit just the middle of our eyelid. Not really like creating any crazy like hella rounded shape, like we have a cut crease underneath or anything. Just a little bit to add like a little reflection right there. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with that dark green and just kind of blend everything in together. We are going to pause right here so I can hop off, do my face makeup, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna finish out this look. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? In case you guys were just like wondering what happens when I'm, you know, off camera doing my face makeup. Just left it there for you for a minute. I don't stop recording while I'm doing my face makeup. I literally just tell my Amazon Dot, I don't want to say the other A word because she'll pop on, but I literally just turn on my music on shuffle and I jam. I go pretty hard. So let's finish out this makeup look. I pretty much just did a regular full face of makeup with a little bit of cream contour underneath everything. That's pretty much all I did. It's just basic face makeup. It doesn't change very often. So I'm gonna take Nate, which is that Kelly green that's poking out, and we're gonna blend this pretty good underneath. I'm kind of connecting it out. Beautiful. And now that we're to that point, I'm taking the same brush and going into that dark foresty hunter green. And I'm just going to blend all of that together and down a little bit more. And now I'm gonna take a tiny, can you even see that? A tiny little brush, and I'm gonna take Welcome out of the Jeffree Star palette, which is the lightest shade up in that corner. Pop it right there in that inner corner. And I'm also gonna take it right underneath my brow bone a little bit. Now that we are done with all of the eyeshadow, and I'm really liking this. I don't know why I really love these green looks, but anyway, I'm gonna hop off of here and pop on a winged eyeliner, and I'm gonna tightline my eyes just a little bit, and then we're gonna throw on some lashes and come back to do our lip, and we'll wrap out the video. So one moment. Is it just me, or do lashes completely bring a look together? And if you're wondering what lashes these are the Kiss Ritzy lashes from their True Volume collection, and these are my all-time favorite lashes that I have ever worn, ever tried. They are so comfortable. I like them more than Demi Wispies or regular Wispies. These are so light. They kind of are natural, but can add, you know, drama to an eye like this if you want to. Add it. I mean, you know what I'm saying. And these were also in my 200 subscriber giveaway, which that reminds me, shameless plug time. If you have not already, please check out my 300 subscriber giveaway. The video is live up on my channel, and it is closing on January 3rd. So I'm just saying, like, you could, you know, win stuff. So who wouldn't want to do that? Had a little bit of a stabby moment. All right, so let's stop shamelessly plugging my giveaway and put on a lip to finish out this look. I was kind of wanting to do a red winged liner, and then I thought that would be a little too campy, but I still wanted red and green because those, you know, classic Christmas colors. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. liquid lipstick in Red Vixen. This has been one of my favorite red lips pretty much all year long since I got it. So I'm going to put that on quickly and then we'll, you know, have the finished look. So this is the completed final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the Christmas makeup. I did 2 videos this year, and of course this one is going up on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. But I also did a more blue, well, it's not more blue, it is a blue toned Christmas look for a blue Christmas, feeling blue, round Christmas, holiday blues, you know what I'm saying? I tried to do a pun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.